If you're bored of the alternating square knot pattern, then you definitely have to try this new knot pattern out. Welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. My name is Nicole, and in this tutorial we will be going over an alternative to the alternating square knot pattern. So we will still be using square knots for this pattern, but instead of making an alternating square knot pattern to form a large wide base pattern that you can use in almost any macrame project, we're going to switch up the working cords so that we connect square knot columns together. So instead of seeing alternating square knots within the pattern, what we're going to see are columns of square knots attached together. So if you're bored of using the alternating square knot pattern over and over in your macrame designs, maybe try this one out and see how you feel about it. We do have several other patterns in our knots and knot patterns playlist, so if you guys are running out of ideas or just looking for inspiration for your macrame projects, you guys can check that out. And with that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate this pattern, I've attached 6 strands of cord at 200 centimeters long onto a dowel with lark's head knots. To begin, we're going to start with the far left 4 cords for a square knot, then continue with 2 more square knots to the right side. Next, we're going to start on the left side again. This time, instead of using the same working cords for the right side of the left section, we're going to borrow the cord in the middle section right next to the cord on the right. So using the new working cord on the right and the same working cord on the left, make a square knot. Now in the middle section, we're also going to borrow cords from the far left and far right sections as working cords for the square knot in the middle. And now on the right side, we're going to repeat the same pattern, mirroring what we just did on the far left side. Boring a cord from the middle section to the left of the right section. And now we have made a full row of these square knots. Repeat for as many as you'd like underneath. Concludes our square knot column pattern. What did you guys think of this alternate pattern to the alternating square knot pattern? Let me know in the comment section below. Would you guys use this instead of the alternating square knot pattern? I'd like to know that as well. The great thing about the alternating square knot pattern is that you'll be using the anchor cords as working cords because you're alternating the square knots. But for this pattern, you won't be using the anchor cords at all. So you do have to keep that in mind if you're incorporating this knot pattern into your designs to keep your anchor cords shorter than your working cords. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button to stay tuned to our latest macrame tutorials. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.